What's up, guys? It's Movie Or here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. Today's next unboxing will be for another Dracula film released by Severin Films. This is, of course, on the Blu-ray edition. And that is for... Sorry, this is released by Vinegar Syndrome, not Severin Films. I apologize. That is for Old Dracula. Now this does have the slipcover. My brother bought this for me in Denver when I was there for the holidays. So it's very nice. It's very embossed and glossy. Yeah, so there's the front, spine, back, beautiful artwork. Here's a slip. Okay, so then here's the back. There's the Blu-ray disc. And here's the alternative artwork. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my unboxing of Old Dracula on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Seriously, in the comment section below, let me know what's your favorite Vinegar Syndrome release of all time. Thank you.